Yes, hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain about the application of exponents. So exponents, basically we are learning exponents because of writing the largest numbers in the simplest form. So that form we are using all over universe, that is called standard form. And if you observe this video, you are going to know how to convert the numbers usual form to standard forms. So I'll explain one by one problems, and easily you can understand these like examples. The first one is if I take a large number like 3 followed by 7 zeros, that means what is this number? 3 crores. 3 crores. It's a very biggest number. It's a very large number. So these kind of number is called usual form. Usual form. Generally everybody is writing usual form. So these usual forms, large numbers, by using exponents, we can write in the simplest manner, like 3 into 10 to the power of 7, because 3 after 7 zeros followed, that means 3 into 10 to the power of 7. So in this manner we can represent any kind of largest numbers. So these kind of expression is called standard form. Standard form of the given number. So this is the way of writing largest numbers in standard form. Yes, students are facing problems to convert usual form to standard form and standard form to usual form, and these are very easiest number. This we can converting into that, and that into converting into this, no problem. You have 3 into 10 to the power of 7, so that number followed by how many zeros? So that 10 to the power of 7 or 10 to the power of 8 we can write it. Now I'll take another number, that is 5, 4, 3 followed by 9 zeros. 9 zeros. So this is the very biggest number. So simply we can't write in the previous one. So how can I write? Means first write 5, 4, 3 into 10 to the power of how many zeros? 9 zeros. So 10 to the power of 9. But it is not a standard form. One more step is there. That is what? This number, if here more than one digit is there, means this number we have to write in the form of decimal, like 5.43. After writing this, then we are converting into points, into after point how many digits are there? 2 digits. That means 10 square we have to multiply, and already 10 to the power of 9 is there. Write it in the same way. Now 5.43 into here 10 square into 10 power 9. Here bases are equal. That means powers must be added. That we have learned as a law. Like a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Powers we are adding. So this is the use of exponents. So finally this is the standard form. So this is this usual form converting into standard. This is the way of conversion. Now one more example, 0.00000 and total 6 zeros and 3. This is a usual form of decimal number. This is decimal number. Decimal numbers, how can we converting into standard form? Now the given decimal number converting into fraction, like fraction, how can we convert? For example, here 10.3 is there. How can we convert 103 by 10? In the same way, this one also, 3 by how many digits are there after point? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power of 7. So given decimal number converting into fraction. After that, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So why I am writing like this? Because we have a law, that is 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. So here 1 by 10 to the power of 7 is there. If it is coming into numerator, the power sign becomes changed negative. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this is the way of converting decimal number into standard. Okay, one more example, that is 0.0001275. One more decimal number. This is a separate one. Again, you see, first what I said, converting into fraction. So 1275 divided by, after point, how many digits are there? Total 8 digits are there. So 10 to the power of 8. That equal to, now 1275 into this 10 to the power of 7, 10 to the power of minus 8. 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of minus 8. After this, I told you already, 1275 is there, more than 1 digits. That means converting into decimal. So 1.275. So when we are converting, after point, how many digits are there? 3. That means 10 to the power of 3 we have to multiply, and 2 10 to the power of minus 8. Now we can write 1.275 into these two bases are equal, powers must be added. So 10 to the power of 3 plus minus 8, that means 3 minus 8. Finally we'll get 1.275 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This is the standard form. Now I'll explain decimal numbers, how can we converting into usual form, like standard forms to usual form. Here I am taking one standard form, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 5. How can we convert? It's very easy, that is 3 followed by 5 zeros. This is the standard form. These kind of things are very easy. But if I take this one, 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5. So how can we converting into standard form? First, this decimal number converting into fraction first. 437 by, after point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. That means 10 square. Write it. Into 10 to the power of 5. Now see, here 437 into 10 power 5 by 10 power 2. That means 10 to the power of 5 minus 2. That is 10 to the power of 3. Why I am writing like this? According to that law, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Powers must be subtracted. After that, 437. So here how many zeros we have to write here? 3 zeros. Power is 3. So 0, 0, 0. So this is the standard form of this one. One more example. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, this is also standard form. So now how can we write in the usual form? Here actually here the power is negative sign. So 5 into 1 by 10 power 4. 1 by 10 power 4. Why I am writing like this? Because a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. The negative sign becomes removed here. So now 5 by 10 power 4 is equal to, how many zeros are there? Means this is a fraction. Fraction, how can we converting into decimal? 0 point, after point 4 digits must be there. That means 0, 0, 0. In the numerator 5 is there 1 digits. So this is the usual form of the given standard form. And one more example, 3, 7, 8, 9 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So these kind of problems are very difficult one. Actually students are feeling little difficult. So try to understand. Now here you see, the given number is normal number converting into decimal first. That means 3, no, don't convert. 3, 7, 8, 9 into, here 1 by 10 power 5, that equal to, here how many zeros are there 5. That means how can we write 0 point after point how many 5 digit must be there 3 7 8 9. So this is the usual form of the given standard form. So I hope you all understood all these things. You can convert now standard form to usual, usual to standard. Thank you very much. Share it and subscribe.